welcome back to another tutorial. I want to show you what the difference is between overloading and overriding. And yeah, let's get straight into the definitions. So, overriding is an override method provides a new implementation of the method inherited from a base class. And overloading is two or more methods in a class with the same name but different numbers, types, and order of parameters, aka the signature. So, the same name but different method signatures. So let me show you what that means. Let's start with overloading first. So for example, we have void something, and we have, and let's just do this in a class, public class named overloading. Nice. And my bracket is in a weird position. So we'll say this, for example, public void do something. Why is it a P? Nice. And then we have the same void, public void do something. Now this will give us an error because the compiler can't actually tell the difference. So here, but if the signature is different, so right here the signature is kind of empty, and the signature here, let's just say in X, now it will be able to tell the difference because it's not optional. If it is optional, well, we can still tell the difference. So what if it's no? This still will not be able to tell the difference because, well, it has the same, and if it's optional, then there's a chance that we can use it. So we have int X, but what if you have int Y? Then just the key to overloading is that as long as the method signature is different, the name is, well, gonna be, and the names can be the same. So as long as the method signature is different and the names are the same, that's possible. The compiler wouldn't really care. So here let's just say console dot write line x divided by y, for example, and here we'll just write console dot write line x. So here we'll just go and instantiate overloading, and overloading needs to be for capital letter. Overloading over is equal to new overloading. Here we can say over dot do something. We just say this, then it will call this method because this parameter is optional. But if we say, for example, 5, it will still call this method because there's only one parameter. And if we say 6, then we'll get then we get 5, 6 as the answer. And yeah, it will get 0 because it's not actually. If we say float and float, then it will actually give us 5, 6. Yep, there we go. And it does not give us 5, 6 because it's an integer, so it just removes the decimal part completely. Now what about overriding? So overriding, public class overriding. So the definition of overriding is actually a method provides a new implementation of the method inherited from a base class. So I have overriding. No, let's just name it animal so that it can make sense. Here we have public class dog for capital letter, animal. So here we just say public void make sound. Just copy the same thing. And yep, we need to do this. Just say console dot write line animal makes sound. Sound. Woof. Woof. So now here we have animal am is equal to new animal Sorry, we don't need that. Here we have, oh yeah, we do need that. I'm sorry. Dog is equal to new dog. There we go. Now, let's just say, and no, this will be animal, because if this is dog, and then we say dog dot make sound, and am dot make sound, this will actually work. So woof woof, animal makes sound. So this will actually work. But if we have animal and then we have dog, we have this, and what is really happening here? Well, so if we have animal here, it's a type of animal. So when we say dog dot make sound, we're really calling this method right here. But how to fix this? Well, there's an easy way. So we say public virtual void. It means it's not dependent, and we say override void. Now the override is making a new implementation of the method. So we're actually making a new implementation, and now when we call dog that makes sound, it will actually go to the dog class and call this method right here. And let's see it. We have woof woof. So I hope this makes sense to you. And one more thing is that, as you can see here, if you're confused what the difference between animal am and like animal dog equals new dog and dog equals new dog is this. So both create a dog object, only the second, which is this, and replace object with animal, allows you to invoke dog methods or to otherwise treat it like a dog. So to do the same with the first one, you actually need to again write the override keyword. And I hope all of this makes sense to you, and if it doesn't, please leave me a comment. I will link this page to you and this page to you in the description if you want it for further reference. So bye and have an amazing day. I love all of you. See ya.